Mabuhay and welcome. You join me today as we unbox this, one of the most legendary nameplates in the business, the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. And we're going to see what it's all about. Let's start with the looks, and that brings us over to the front. This, unmistakably and undeniably, you can see, is a Jeep. That front fascia has been around since World War II, when it was known as the Willys Jeep. You've got halogen headlights, halogen DRLs, and halogen fog lights. But this being a modern Jeep, it's got Easter eggs. Chief among which is this front fascia you see over here is actually inside the headlight. That's pretty much it for the front. Let's check out the side. Over here at the side, you can see that a lot of the panels have been blacked out. That includes these side panels over here, which are on top of the wheels in the front, and over at the back, which act kind of like mud guards when you're trailing or when the going gets muddy and rainy. You've also got blacked out side mirrors and blacked out door handles. But of course, you've got turn light indicators and this very nice retro antenna. Now let's go check over at the back. Over here at the back, you can see that the boxy design motif of the Wrangler carries over. It's a very boxy looking car. You've got square taillights, rear fog lights, and you've even got your spare wheel over here. By the way, the Jeep sits on 17-inch alloy wheels. But there's another interesting thing here over at the back, the way the trunk opens. So you open it like this, like so, and you lift up the rear window panel. Ta-da! Now, let's go check out what's powering this beast. Before we show you what's underneath the hood, I think it's important that we point out the unique way that you open it. There is no button inside to unlatch this. You have to open it through here. You have to open this latch here on this side, you have to open the other side, and then ta-da! Underneath the hood, you've got a 2-liter inline-4 double overhead cam, direct injected turbo engine. Power output is at 268 horsepower at 5,250 RPM, and torque is at 400 Newton meters of torque at 3,000 RPM. You can already tell that that's more than enough power to propel this very big, heavy off-roader on the road or on the trail. Now that that's done, I think it's time that we check out the inside. Now that we're inside the interior, you can see that it's not what you'd expect, but not what you'd expect in a good way. This being a trail-rated 4x4, you'd think that it would be devoid of any creature comforts, but that's not the case. You've got a lot of soft touch panels everywhere. You've got a leather-wrapped steering wheel. You've got controls for the air conditioning, for all the windows. You've got controls for your headlight adjustment, all of those things. You've even got a 5-inch infotainment screen which you can connect your phone via Bluetooth. That's not the only thing though, because this transmission, as you can see, the gear shifters here are quite unique. You've got a nice Willys Jeep monogram imprinted on the gear shifter. This, by the way, is an 8-speed automatic. That's, to sum it all up, the interior is a nice place to be. It's comfortable. You've got everything you could possibly want and need. Over at the back, you've got actually 2 more air conditioning vents, and we're going to show you this actually If you want a little more sun, it doesn't have a sunroof, but you can remove these panels up here and make it convertible. We're gonna show you that right now. So there you have it. If you want a little sunlight in your life, you can get it. Though we recommend that you do it with at least 2 or 3 other people because it's quite tedious to do so. In fact, you can remove the whole roof. We just don't have enough manpower to do it right now. Also, besides from that, you can remove the doors and fold the windshield forward to get that full off-roading experience. Now, the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport comes in at 3,590,000 Philippine pesos. Yes, sounds like a lot, but consider that you're getting a trail-rated off-roader, plus that you get all the convenience and features to make an everyday drive comfortable. It's actually the best of both worlds. So if that's something you need, this may be worth a look. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. This has been Pablo Salapantan of AutoIndustriya. Paalam!